Good evening to all of you. Today we will discuss coordinate system. There are different coordinate system. One is Cartesian coordinate system, second one is cylindrical coordinate system, and third one is your spherical coordinate system. Now we will discuss Cartesian coordinate system. Here x, y and z, these are the parameters of Cartesian coordinate system. Look, this is the coordinate system. If I will move away from the origin, then parameter value increases. That means if I will move in this direction, here y value increases. If I will move in this direction, here z value increases. And if I will move in this direction, here x value increases. And always remember, this x, y and z, they are in anti-clockwise direction. That means if I will take x is here and this is y, then this must be z. Similarly, if this is x, this is y and this is your z. Okay, always they are in anti-clockwise direction. Here ay cap, it represents the unit vector. What is unit vector? That is vector divided by its magnitude. Okay, so this unit vector direction is always in the increasing direction of the parameter. What is increasing direction of the parameter? Look, in this direction y value increases, y parameter increases. That's why ay cap is in this direction. Similarly, if I will move in this direction, z value increases. That's why az cap is in this direction. Similarly, if I will move in this direction, here x value increases. That's why ax cap is in this direction. Okay. Now look, this unit cap, okay, they follow the right hand rule. What is right hand rule? Look, ax cap cross product of ay cap, that is equal to az cap. What does it mean? Look, this is your x parameter, okay, in this direction, that is perpendicular to this board. Okay, ax cap cross product of ay cap. That means if my call of the finger that represents the movement, okay, if I will move from x to y, okay, call of my finger that represents I will move from x to y, then my thumb represents that is direction of z. Similarly, ay cap cross product of az cap, that is equal to ax cap. What does it mean? If I will move in this direction, okay, that is from y to z, then my thumb represents what? That is direction of x. That is ay cap cross product of az cap, that is equal to ax cap. Similarly, if I will move from az cap cross product of ax cap, that is equal to ay cap. What does it mean? If I will move from z to x, okay, like this, then my thumb represents what? Direction of y. Okay, that is az cap cross product of ax cap, that is equal to ay cap. Now we will discuss range of parameter. Okay, x value lies within minus infinite to infinite, y value lies within minus infinite to infinite. Similarly, z parameter, it lies within minus infinite to infinite. That is the range of parameter, that is x, y and z for Cartesian coordinate system. Here I will show certain examples. Look at this example. In this example, this is your y value, y parameter, this is z parameter and this is x parameter. In this parameter, x equal to constant. X equal to constant means if I will take the example, suppose x equal to 3, because it is constant. Now, if x equal to 3, it is parallel to yz plane. Why yz plane? Now, in this direction, okay, y value changes, and in this direction, your z parameter changes. Okay, that's why if x equal to constant, it is parallel to which plane? It is parallel to yz plane. Similarly, example 2, here y equal to constant. Y equal to constant means any value, okay, any constant value. In this parameter, what happened? In this direction, x parameter changes, and here in this direction, your z parameter changes. That's why if y equal to constant, it is parallel to which plane? It is parallel to x and z plane. Okay, it is parallel to x z plane. Similarly, look at this example. Here z equal to constant, and here y parameter changes, and here which parameter changes? X parameter changes. That's why it is parallel to which plane? It is parallel to xy plane. Okay. It is parallel to which plane? XY plane. Now give me some time so that I will rub this. Now look, differential length. Okay, how to calculate this differential length? Okay, look at this. Suppose we wish to move from A to C. I will wish to move from A to C. How I will move? Now A to B plus B to C. Okay, A to B plus B to C. This AC represents, suppose, differential length dl vector. Okay, AB is what? The small distance. Okay, so here AB is increasing direction of y. Okay, so I will write dy, and the unit vector is in y direction, because if I will move from A to B, y parameter increases, and unit vector direction is always increasing direction of the parameter. So I will write ay cap plus B to C. Which value increases? Which parameter? Z parameter. So I will write dz az cap. Clear? Similarly, if I will calculate, or if I will wish to move from A to Q, if I will wish to move from A to Q, how I will move? That is A to B. First I will move from A to B, then B to C, then C to Q. So I will write AB plus BC plus CQ. AB is the small distance. Okay, so AQ can be written as dl vector, that is equal to AB, that is equal to dy ay cap plus BC, that is dz az cap, dz az cap plus CQ is, it is followed what? X direction. Okay, so this is dx ax cap. Okay, so this is the differential length in case of Cartesian coordinate system. Similarly, suppose I will calculate the differential surface. How I will calculate? Now consider this surface. Okay, consider this surface. Okay, so in this surface, what are the parameter changing or varying? Now here x value or x parameter varying and z parameter varying. So ds is what? Here the area of the surface is dx into dz. Now direction of the parameter or direction of that surface is, it is normally direction is away from the surface. Okay, so in this direction, so this is ay cap, because this is y parameter. Okay, that's why direction is, it is away from the surface. Away from the surface means which direction? Y direction, that is ay cap. So I will write this is ay cap. Similarly, differential surface can be calculated. Suppose dx dy az cap, again dy dz ax cap. Okay, if I will consider dx differential length in x direction and differential length in z direction, and the unit vector is the other direction. Okay, that is y direction. Similarly, dx dot dy into az cap, dy into dz into ax cap. Okay, now this is the differential surface. Now differential volume dv vector in case of Cartesian coordinate system, that is equal to dx into dy into dz. Okay, so this is differential length dl vector, that is equal to dx ax cap plus dy ay cap plus dz az cap in case of Cartesian coordinate system. This is differential surface. Okay, in case of Cartesian coordinate system, it is dx dz. If I will consider this surface, for this surface, this is the value. For this surface, this is the differential surface. Okay, for this particular surface. Similarly, if you consider any other surface, these are the differential surface in Cartesian coordinate system. And differential volume in case of Cartesian coordinate system, that is equal to dx into dy into dz. Okay.